Hi, love. How was your day?
It was good. How about yours?
It was long, but I'm happy now.
I'm happy when I'm with you.
You're sweet. Do you want to watch a movie?
Yes, I'd love that.
What kind of movie should we watch?
Maybe a romantic one.
Or something funny?
Romantic and funny, perfect combo.
Okay, let's look for one.
Let me check Netflix.
Do we have popcorn?
I think so. Should I check?
Yes, please. I'll get the bowls.
Yes, we have one bag left.
Yay, let's make it.
I'll help you.
You get the drinks.
Sure, juice or soda.
Juice for me. You.
Cola for me, easy choice.
Blanket time.
Of course, I'll grab the soft one.
You know my favorite.
I always remember.
Okay, drinks ready.
And popcorn is done.
Let's sit down.
Right next to you.
Want to turn the lights off?
Yes, it's more romantic.
All set.
All set. Hit play.
Here we go.
I love this movie already.
The music is so nice.
And the lighting too. So cozy.
You smell good.
It's your hoodie. Blame yourself.
I like when you wear my clothes.
I know, that's why I do it.
You're so cute.
You're cuter.
Stop it.
Never, you started.
SHH, I love this part.
Okay, watching quietly now.
Are you comfy?
Very, you.
Perfect. Just right.
Do you want a pillow?
No, your shoulder is enough.
Then I won't move.
Smart choice.
I know, I'm clever.
Want more popcorn?
Yes, please, but not too much.
I'll feed you one. Open wide.
Okay, yum, delicious.
You're the best movie buddy.
And you're my favorite person.
Are you warm enough?
Yes, thanks to the blanket.
And thanks to you.
Awa, you're melting me.
Can I hold your hand?
Always, never let go.
Promise.
Pinky promise.
This movie is so romantic.
Not as romantic as us.
Haha, you're smooth.
I try, for you.
Do you remember our first movie night?
Yes, you fell asleep.
I was tired but happy.
You looked so peaceful.
You let me sleep on your chest.
And I didn't move all night.
You're my safe place.
You're my everything.
Want some ice cream?
Oh yes, chocolate.
Yes, with extra sauce.
I'll get it. You stay here.
Okay, thank you.
Back with sweetness, 2 spoons.
You're my hero.
And you're my queen.
You always say the nicest things.
Because they're true.
You're so romantic.
Only with you.
Let's cuddle more.
Come closer then.
I'm already in your arms.
Then I'm never letting go.
Let's take a picture.
Yes, for memories.
Say cheese.
Cheese, so cute.
You look beautiful.
You make me smile.
You make my heart full.
I love being with you.
I love our movie nights.
Me too. Best part of the day.
Want to plan a movie weekend.
Yes, all-day movies.
With snacks and cuddles.
And no phones, just us.
Deal, pinky swear.
Sworn and sealed.
You're so warm.
You're my heater.
Are you getting sleepy?
A little, but I'm fighting it.
I'll keep you awake.
With kisses.
Maybe.
Then I'm staying awake forever.
Haha, smooth move.
I try.
Do you want to pause and stretch?
Maybe later. I'm comfy now.
You always fall asleep near the end.
I'll try not to tonight.
No worries. I'll watch over you.
Like a guardian angel.
Exactly, but cuter.
You're already cute.
Your eyes are shining.
It's the TV light.
No, it's love.
Stop it. You're too sweet.
Never too sweet for you.
You're my sugar.
Haha, okay, candy boy.
I like that name.
The movie is getting emotional.
Are you crying?
Maybe a little.
Come here, hug time.
Thank you. I feel better.
Always here for you.
I love this moment.
Me too.
Can we stay like this forever?
Let's try, one moment at a time.
The movie's almost over.
Time flies with you.
Let's pick another one.
Back-to-back movies. Yay.
Or just talk for a while.
Even better.
What do you want to talk about?
Anything, everything. You.
You're really cheesy.
You love it.
Maybe I do.
Definitely do.
What's your dream movie date?
A drive in theater. You.
A blanket fort and pizza.
Let's do both one day.
Promise.
Promise.
I like holding your hand.
I like holding you.
Your fingers are cold.
Warm them up then.
Challenge accepted.
You're so dramatic.
It keeps things fun.
That's true. I like that.
Let's have a movie playlist.
Movie nights every week.
Every weekend.
Every day if we can.
You'll get bored of me.
Never ever.
Not even a little.
Not even a tiny bit.
You're the best part of my life.
You're my whole heart.
I think I'm falling asleep.
Rest, love. I'm here.
Will you stay if I sleep?
All night long.
Can I dream about you?
I hope so. I'll be in your dreams.
Good night, love.
Good night, angel.